Hi guys, so in this video you're going to learn how to send people to your website by boosting a post on Instagram. So you launch the Instagram app, then we're going to visit our profile home. Okay, so this is our profile home. Now we're going to select a post that we want to boost. So we're going to select one of these. Alright, so let's use this one. So we're going to use this post for our next ad. Next, you need to click on the boost post just beneath the post. So you're going to see the button that says boost post at the bottom right corner of the post. So you click on it. Now there are basically three goals when you want to launch an Instagram ad on the app. So for this campaign, we want to do more website visit. This is what we want for this ad objective or ad goal. So we select more website visits. Alright, so this is going to take them to our website to learn more.
You can also edit the website link or the URL if you want to send people to a specific web page on your website, or you want to change the website entirely. So all you need to do is to simply click on the edit button below the action button. So you're going to click on the edit button, then you could change this website to any other website, or maybe to a particular page. Maybe you want to send them to your service page. So this is our service page. You could also change it to contact us or book now or sign up. So this is how flexible it is. So you could, like I said, you could decide to clear everything, try to send people to another website. So maybe my website.com. So any of this would work. So let's fix it back the way it is. Okay, so we click on done. So we are sending people to our website's first page, or the home page of our website.
Since we've selected the more website visits, it's time to click on next. So we click on the next button. Now it's time to determine our audience. So you could select any of your saved audience you had before, or you could allow the system to automatically find the right audience for you. But for this video, we're going to set our own target audience for this ad. So we're going to basically set up the kind of persons we want to see this ad. So we click on create your own. Now we're going to give it a name. You can just call it tutorial audience. Okay. Next, we're going to select the locations. So for the regions we want to show our ads, we want to show to Nigerians. So we click on search for Nigeria. Then we select Nigeria and South Africa. Okay, so we selected two countries to show our advert to. Then you click on done at the top right corner. Next is interest. So the interest is telling the system these are the kind of persons I want to see my advert. So you click on the interest. Now you're going to search the interests or the behaviors of the persons you want to see your advert. So for this, I would prefer business owners, okay, or people interested in business. So if we try to search for business owners, okay, there's no available option for that. So this is one of the things in using the app or using the Instagram app to run your advert campaigns. Okay, so now we're going to select people who are interested in business. So we could select small business. Okay. Now there's one amazing thing. The system will also suggest related interests which we can pick from. So we're going to select entrepreneurship. It's people who are interested in entrepreneurship, people who are interested in business generally, people who are interested in startup companies. Here we're going to choose that. We're also going to take the sole proprietorship. Okay, so let's add one more. Okay, let's go with small and medium enterprises. Okay, so we've selected just 6 interests to show our ads. Alright, so we click on done. Since we've determined the interest, next we're going to decide on the age and gender. Okay, so we're going to allow our ads to be shown to both male and female. Also, we are going to decide on the age. For this ad, I'm going to prefer people from 28 years and above to see this ad. So for yours, you could actually select something higher or something lesser, depending on your preference or depending on how you understand your market. Okay, so since we're done with this, we click on done at the top right corner. Now our audience have been determined, so we click on done at the top right corner again. Okay, So we've defined our audience, so we click on next. Now it's time to select the duration and the budget. Okay, so for this ads we could decide to use okay, let's use 2,888 naira per day. So you could also set the duration, how long you want your ads to be seen. Is it 30 days or more, or do you prefer to keep the ads running until you want to pause it? So you go for the first one. Okay, so run this ad until I pause it. Then we click on next. Here's the review page. So basically we're going to confirm that everything here is actually aligning with our expectation or what we want or with our preference. So this is the preview tab, so you could confirm how your ads is seen. Okay, so you could see the content. Okay, so this is a preview. So once people engage with our content, they could see a button that says learn more, which will take them to our website. Okay, so that's how it is, looking beautiful, right? Okay, so this advert is all about telling people that, hey, we run adverts, professional adverts in our company, so do well to contact us if you need ads on X, Google, Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, and Spotify. So they could actually contact us if they need any of our services. Then we click on back, so you could review every other placement. So we go back again. Alright, so now we've confirmed that everything is the way we want them to be. Then we click on the boost post. So we've boosted the post successfully. So you could see the notification on the screen that says, well done, your ad is in review. We have to wait for some time for Meta to review and approve before our ads will start running. So you click on OK. So you could see it's pending approval. Kindly check the description of this video. We're also going to attach the link of a video guide where we taught how to run an ad that leads to your profile, or how to run an ad that would help you get more followers on Instagram. Before we go, we're going to show you how to add your website on your bio. So you have to click on the edit profile. So in order to add your website, you click on links, then you'll be able to add your website here. Alright, so this is where we added our website. So this is very easy, so you could do this from your end. So do well to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.